guys, my name is Luis Garcia and today we have the ceiling fan in my red Minecraft house. So yeah, let's get started. So we're having the white fan in the living room. I think it's medium now. I think it's speed. And I'm having a problem, but I think it's nothing. I think it's grandmother's or grandpa. Okay. And we're having the porch industrial fan. And see, we're having the kitchen fan. Ouch. I'm so hurt. But okay. I think it's nothing wrong with the kitchen fan. This bulb is not turned out. I think it's million. Ouch. I'm so hurt again. Zora is still going. Minnie is still going. Porch fan is still going. Minnie is still going. Minnie again is still going. I think it stopped. Oh, it is still going. I think it stopped in 5 seconds. Okay, we're having the stop of the spin down in the ceiling fan. Let's check it out. The fan is stopped. I think of the industrial fan is stopped. Zora is stopped. Tiger is stopped. Minnie is Still stopping? Oh, I forgot this one here. Nope. Yeah, it's still good. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. I forget the porch fan. I think it stopped now. I think it's good. The porch fan in 2007. I think it stopped. Yeah, I think it stopped. I think it's going into the fan store center now. I think it's good fan from 2007. I think its condition is pretty dirty now. I think it's good. I think it's cleaning now. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.